I didn't know he was married. Chapter 1. Meeting Alex. My name is Sarah. I live in a small town. One day, I met a man named Alex. He was kind, funny, and very friendly. We met at a cafe. He was sitting alone, reading a book. I liked the way he smiled at me when I walked in. It made me feel happy. We started talking. He told me he worked at a bank. I told him I worked at a local store. We had a nice conversation. After that day, we began to meet often. We went to the park together, had lunch, and talked for hours. I started to like him. I thought maybe he liked me too. Chapter 2. The Growing Feelings. As the weeks passed, Alex and I spent more time together. He would send me sweet messages and ask me how my day was. I felt like I was falling in love. Every time we met, I felt excited. He always made me feel special. One day, we went for a walk in the park. It was a beautiful day. We talked about our dreams and hopes for the future. I wanted to tell him that I liked him, but I was nervous. I didn't want to say something that would make him uncomfortable. I like spending time with you, Sarah, Alex said as we walked. You're very special to me. My heart skipped a beat. I felt happy, but I didn't know if he felt the same way. Maybe he was just being friendly. Chapter 3. The Secret. One evening, I invited Alex to dinner at my house. He agreed and arrived at 7 p.m. We ate pasta and talked about our childhood. It was a lovely evening, but then Alex suddenly became quiet. He seemed sad, and I didn't know why. Is everything okay? I asked him. He looked at me and took a deep breath. I have to tell you something, Sarah, he said softly. I looked at him waiting. What is it? Alex looked down at the table and said, I'm married. I have a wife. I couldn't believe it. I felt like my world stopped. I stared at him in shock. How could this happen? Why didn't he tell me before? Chapter 4. The Painful Truth. Alex told me that he loved his wife, but he had been feeling lost. He said he had been unhappy in his marriage for a long time, and meeting me made him feel alive again. He apologized for not telling me earlier. I didn't want to hurt you, Sarah. I care about you, but I have to be honest now. he said. I felt like my heart was breaking. I had trusted him, and now everything felt wrong. I didn't know what to do. I liked him so much, but I couldn't be with a man who was married. It wasn't right. Chapter 5. A difficult decision. That night, I cried alone in my room. I felt confused and hurt. I liked Alex, but I didn't want to be part of something that wasn't honest. I thought about his wife. She didn't know about me, and that made me feel guilty. The next day, I met with Alex. He looked at me, hoping for some kind of answer. I didn't know what to say. I liked him, but I didn't want to be part of his secret life. I can't do this, Alex, I said quietly. I can't be with you. You're married, and I deserve someone who can be completely honest with me. He nodded sadly. I understand, Sarah. I'm sorry for everything. I should have told you the truth from the start. Chapter 6. Moving on. After that conversation, I decided to move on. It was difficult, but I knew it was the right choice. I stopped seeing Alex, and he didn't contact me again. It hurt, but I learned a valuable lesson. Love is about trust and honesty. Secrets can hurt people, and I didn't want to be a part of that. I realized that sometimes you have to make difficult decisions in life. Even when you love someone, you must choose what is right for you. I learned that it's better to be alone than to be with someone who isn't honest. Chapter 7. Finding Peace. Month later, I met someone new. His name was Tom. He was kind, honest, and had a heart full of love. We started dating, and I felt happy again. I knew that this time things were different. Tom was open about everything, and we trusted each other. I never forgot Alex, but I knew that I made the right decision. Life goes on, and sometimes the most painful experiences teach us important lessons. Now, I know that love must be built on honesty and trust.